This is all what we've ordered. So the first one here is chicken.
Good afternoon guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Adrienne.
And I'm Gavin. So we are in Panjim and we were craving some authentic Kerala food. After 3 days of continuous rainfall, finally the sun is out. So we've come to this place which looks like an authentic place because we saw some reviews on Google. The reviews looked really good. And we've been to Kerala, we've eaten all this cuisine in the Middle East. So we are really craving for that today. And let's see, it's a small place. There's some seating downstairs, there's some seating upstairs. The color peacock green, and I just feel like I'm in Kerala for some reason because the ambience here around the frames and everything feels like that. Even the staff here was speaking in Malayalam. That's how it's supposed to be pronounced. So let's see, we have the menu and let's go through the menu. That's a good thing to see. So they have already been nominated for the South Indian restaurant category winner, and this there is their menu. So as you can see, the color peacock green is there almost everywhere. This is the veg starter section, and if you guys have watched our videos, you know that this is the section that we are not really interested in. This, of course, yes, non-veg starters. Let's see, we might get one of this. And look at all these things, guys. Really my mouth is watering right now because I haven't had this food since a long time. Last time I think Indian we had in Kerala, right? Yes, after that in Goa we've not had this. And you can just pause the video and take a look at the rates. Quail, I tried quail once, but both of us we didn't like it. We had tried that in the UAE. Kerala meals thali looks interesting. And then Malabar biryani, yes, this is what I'm going to go for. I think I'll order the chicken biryani. Really craving that. Kerala street specials, kottu paratha, chicken kottu paratha. Yes, Adrian has shortlisted chicken kottu paratha, right Adrian?
Yeah.
Kappa stories, cassava, tapioca. Really interesting menu, and I'm getting very positive vibes here because there are some customers as well who seem to be from Kerala. Even the staff is from Kerala, and of course when you are in a place like this and even when you see like very good reviews, you know for sure that the food is going to be great. But I don't want to judge that early. That's the end of the menu. All good things in life take time. Okay, so we are going to wait for a while. They said good things take time, but I hope they don't take a lot of time. And the other thing is that they also undertake outdoor catering and bulk orders, and that's their QR code here. Nani Namaskaram Vindum Varuka. I don't know what it means, but I'm sure many of you viewers who are from Kerala are watching our videos, so please let us know what it means. And right now we are hungry and we're going to place our order. This is all what we've ordered. So the first one here is chicken kottu paratha. So kottu basically stands for minced in Malayalam, and this here has parotha, it has onions, it has some temperings, and it has bits and pieces of chicken. Really love this. This here is the chicken biryani. So as you can see here, they have given papadam and they have given fried onion on top of the biryani. So this papadam, it tastes different from a papad, and their rice here is a different kind of rice. I forgot the name what it's called, but it tastes different, guys. And they have given a huge piece of chicken in there, two big pieces. As you can see here, there's one more big piece in there. And sorry for the noise, guys, but there is some crowd in here as well. And besides that, we have also taken the beef roast. So beef roast, we've asked for a semi gravy because this goes really well with this paratha. It's called the Malabar paratha. So as you can see here, it's flaky, it's soft, and you need to have it fast. And then there is a bit of pickle. Don't know what pickle that is, and raita. Okay, so first things first, we need to try the biryani. And guys, you will love this, you will enjoy this only when you're eating with your hand. With the spoon, Personally, I don't really like it, but it's your call, obviously. So if you come closer over here, just look at the way the chicken has come off the rice. Very nice, just like I remember we had this in Alepia. Very similar flavor, and like I said, the rice, makes the biryani taste completely different. So this is a rich biryani. As you can see here, the grains are smaller. I really can't recollect the name of the rice, but I'm sure, like I said, we have many viewers from Kerala, and you guys will know obviously. And the chicken here seems to be a fried chicken, so although it's fried, it feels crisp on the outside but soft inside. And I know it's awkward for people from North India and from other places to have papad. Even I didn't like it first, and even pickle. But in the south, they serve it with papad, pickle, and raita is always there. Papad, perfect, just how I wanted. Okay, let's have a bit of the raita. So raita looks like a basic raita with onions, bit of tomato, and let me have the pickle here. So Adrian, if you can come closer a little bit. This is the pickle. Let's see what pickle this is. It's a sweet and spicy lime pickle. I like it, but I'm more of a spicy pickle fan, but it's not that bad. Now let's try the chicken kuttu paratha. So as you can see, there's paratha, there's chicken, there's onion, and the tempering. It's all mixed in there. That's what it looks like. It's quite nice, but I think the one we had in Munnar, Radian is smiling whenever I speak about Munnar. I think that was the best one we've ever had. I would love to get some bits and pieces of chili. I don't see in there, but it's quite good nevertheless. If you have to ask me to rate this, I will rate it a solid 8.5 out of 10. This here is perfect 10 on 10. Although some of the pieces of onion are slightly chewy because I think they've over-fried it, but the taste is proper. Okay, now let me get some of the beef roast on that plate. And we've gone for 2 parotas, one for India and one for myself. We don't want to fight over parotas, so we have a separate share over here. And just look at the parota. So when it's freshly prepared, it's flaky on the outside, soft inside. So all these 3 things on their menu were a must try. And we are really glad we made the right choice, because all of these are authentic. Just the way you get it in Kerala, just the way we've had it in the Middle East, and we both of us, we are really qualified to speak about this cuisine because we've had a lot of it, and this is one of our favorite South Indian cuisines as well. One more bite. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. As you can see around me, there are some people feeding dishes, and that side as well there are some people. And many of these guys, I think all of them are from Kerala. Very good sign. Again, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. If you haven't, please do so. We recently crossed 5,000 subscribers, and on behalf of Aiden and myself, I really want to thank you guys. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, stay blessed.